Hello creative writers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial principles in storytelling. Show, don't tell. Let's get started. First, let's understand the core of show don't tell. In essence, it's about allowing readers to experience the story through actions, senses, and feelings, rather than just telling them what happens. For instance, which of these best describes the emotion? Exactly. Instead of telling the reader your character is sad, you show them. Showing engages readers, letting them work out the emotions for themselves. So, why is this technique so crucial? Engagement, it pulls readers into your world, making them active participants. Depth, it adds layers to characters and settings. Immersion, it creates a vivid and memorable experience. Now, the big question: how do you master this technique? 1. Use strong verbs. Instead of saying, "He ate his food quickly," try saying, "He devoured it." 2. Focus on the senses. What does a character see, smell, hear, taste, and feel? Describe the scorching heat of a summer's day, rather than just saying it was hot. 3. Dialogue. Conversations can reveal emotions, relationships, and backstory. Instead of saying Linda was angry at John, you could write a heated dialogue between them. 4. Observe real life. Watch people, understand body language. A tightened jaw, a nervous habit, a distant gaze all tell stories. But remember, moderation is key. You don't need to show every single detail. The magic lies in balancing it with the narrative. Okay, it's time for some hands-on practice. I'm going to give you a telling sentence. I'd like you to pause the video, rewrite the sentence by showing it, and then come back. Sentence: he felt nervous before the performance. Have you got your sentence? Great! Here's one way to show it. Sweat dotted his forehead, and his hands trembled as the curtains rustled, signaling the start of the performance. In a nutshell, show don't tell is all about immersing your readers, making them feel and discover rather than spoon-feeding information. It's a journey, and with practice, you'll find the perfect balance. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this useful, give this video a thumbs up. Visit writingexercises.co.uk for more writing tips and tricks.